Our amazing platform that we're going to be sharing with you guys today is going to change your life, and we're 100% serious. Today's method is definitely one of the most impressive methods I've ever come across. All you're going to do is use your voice, and then you're going to make money just like that. Isn't that so cool? It's as if the more time flies, the easier these money making methods get. Not to mention, making money online is so convenient that it'll take away so much of the problems that you encounter when you actually have to go to work face to face, right? So what's not to love? If you're consistent, your income will obviously grow and eventually you'll attain financial freedom, and all just by working smart. As always, we're going to be walking you through this whole process step by step, and we're also going to be dropping some amazing bonus tips and tricks to use this method to its fullest and to make the most amount of money possible. So if you don't want to miss any of that, then make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. This is our platform for today. And we can assure you that this website is trusted and legit because we trust it and we've used it before. So I can tell you for sure that this website is a website that you can trust. As you can see over here, there are so many success stories that you can read through. So this website is called voices.com. That's the name of our platform today, and this is their homepage. And if you see right here, they've partnered with so many very well-known companies like Shopify, Microsoft, Discovery Channel, Hulu, Los Angeles Times, and a lot more of the big names that you can see here yourself. This just proves my point more that this website is legit and trusted. This website actually provides a lot of jobs and opportunities for those seeking jobs and opportunities. There's audio production, voiceover, music, and translation, which just makes this website even better. I'm going to be showing you which of these pay the most money because that's what we want. That's why you're all watching this video today. So if you select on the Find Work as Talent option, you're going to be taken to here. So let's quickly go through this page. Get invited to projects as unique as your own creativity. Receive invites, respond to jobs, build a portfolio, and make money doing voiceover work that you love. Get paid for your unique skills. Whether you're just starting out in voiceover or you've been hustling for years, nothing beats doing what you love while getting paid to do it. Better yet, with our free payment protection service, SurePay. Your funds are automatically sent to you when you're done, meaning you'll never have to chase payment again. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. Control your earnings with custom responses and quotes relative to client budgets. Access to thousands of voiceover and audio production jobs posted monthly, whether you're privately invited or matched through your Voices Premium membership. A Voices talent holding a mug of tea and watching job invitations pop up on their laptop. Worry less, work more. With access to over 42,000 companies posting more than 5,000 voiceover and audio production jobs each month, the Voices Marketplace helps you focus less on finding work and more on getting paid to do it. As a free Voices member, you can be privately invited to jobs, or you can also join Voices Premium to be automatically matched to them. Expand your clientele and work with clients as diverse and unique as your creative skills. Open the door to projects from the world's biggest brands. No chasing required. Focus on creative tasks, not mundane ones. With a free Voices profile, you can establish a professional online presence and upload your best voiceover and audio production work without having to build or purchase an expensive website. On Voices, tasks like sending invoices, collecting payment, and managing a website are taken care of, letting you focus on creating. Build an online reputation with ratings and reviews that showcase the quality of your work. Land top search results with a professional, personalized profile that highlights your skills. See what's in demand while owning your craft. There's more to the Voices marketplace than connecting with clients and doing work. As a Voices talent, you gain unparalleled insight into the types of voiceover jobs and creative skills clients are posting for, as well as access to tools and resources designed to help make you a better creative professional. Flex your creative muscles by uploading custom responses, getting better with each submission. Learn from thousands of aspiring and professional creatives from around the world on our community forum. Get started now, create your profile, and upload samples in minutes to receive invites to 1,000 of voiceover and audio jobs posted daily. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. We want you to click on voiceover from the options of jobs shown earlier, and let's read through that. Hire freelance voice actors. Looking for award-worthy voice acting? Hire a trusted Voices freelancer creative quickly and easily, keeping your creative project on budget, on time, and stress-free. Voiceover is the option that we want and we should focus on the most because it's the option that's going to get us paid the highest amount of money. How it works? You're going to sign up and create a Voices account in seconds. You're going to invite members of your creative team to join you for easy and quick collaboration. For those who are looking for a job, you can post a job and you can post your job for free in minutes, and then there's going to be a software called Job Match that is basically going to invite the voiceover freelancers best suited for the project that you are going to put up. Then you can compare and hire, and these are all for those who want to go on to voices.com to hire a voiceover actor. And then, of course, as someone who's working for Voices, it's easy. You're going to be creating an account. And then as soon as you create an account, you're finally going to be able to see all of the job opportunities, all of the job offers. So all you have to do is just click on sign up now or click on create your profile. Then you're going to go about the registration process like any other. And just like that, you're going to have an account. And as soon as you have an account, you can immediately start making money. So make sure you do that and let us know how it goes in the comments down below. And that is basically everything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.